guys, it's Tori. So today we are doing a very festive makeup look, but like grungy. Also, I'm so sorry you can hear my brother. He's being so obnoxiously loud, per the usual. But we are going to be doing a grungy festive look. This is completely 1000% inspired by Kat Ravel, I believe, here on YouTube. She's a smaller YouTuber, but she did this look and I fell in love. So that's what we're doing today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, eyes are primed with P. Louise per the usual, and today I'm using my Beauty Bay Wilderness palette. I'm gonna be focusing on, the reds and greens, obviously, for this to be festive. That's, you know, kind of what we have to do. But I'm actually so excited to film this. I saw her do this look and I instantly was like, oh my god, I have to do that. Like, I've had no creative juices recently, and then I saw this look and I was like, that's the look. That is what I'm going to be doing for my last video before Christmas. So first we're going to be going in with the shade Poppy right here, and I'm just going with like a little detailed dense brush. This is going to be going on the inner half of my eye, so I kind of have to pack on the pigment since it's a less amount of space to like blend and stuff, you know what I mean? Like on the outer corner you have way more room to blend than on the inner corner, so I'm kind of just packing that on, and I'm gonna bring it up a little bit but not too far because I do want to be able to blend this out even more. I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other eye. So I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. Like I said, this will be my last video before Christmas, so I believe it'll be my last video before Christmas. It should be. But I hope you guys have a really Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys get anything you wanted and spend time with your family, eat amazing food, listen to all the fun music, and just be festive and happy. I'm filming 2 videos tonight. This one first, but this one was going up second. So the video before this that you guys have seen would have been my Christmas wish list, but I wanted to have festive makeup while I filmed that, so this is going up afterwards. Now I'm going with the shade Raw right here just to deepen that up, add a little bit more depth, and I'm gonna place that lower into the crease and do slight blending. And my what I got for Christmas will obviously be probably the last video of 2021, which is literally insane. I will be doing a beauty favorites, like 2021 makeup favorites, or like best products of the year video, or whatever you want to call that. And I'm gonna try to like really think about everything I've loved all year long, which I already know is gonna kind of be difficult, but I'm gonna do my best. I might have to go in and watch a few of my older videos, or if you guys can think of things that I've really loved this year, comment them down below to remind me. I'm so sorry about my brother. Like, we told him to be quiet. He does not want to listen, but he's a boy, so why would they ever listen to anything anyone asks them to do? Then I went on the shade Leaf right here. I literally watched Kat's video earlier today. I don't exactly remember everything she did because I started watching it and then my mom came home and we started doing all kinds of festive activities. I went to the store and I got the rest of my boyfriend's Christmas presents, and then I went to the grocery store and I got stuff so her and I could bake and wrap presents today. So we spent the day watching Christmas movies, baking and wrapping Christmas presents. So it was a very festive and fun day. I thoroughly enjoyed it. My mom and I don't get to do stuff like that like too often. We both do have busy schedules, which, like, as a senior in high school, obviously my schedule's pretty busy, and like trying to spend time with friends and my boyfriend and school and figuring out my work stuff, like I'm just really busy all the time. So it was nice to spend some time with her. Tomorrow we are going to finish up her Christmas shopping. She has like everything for us kids done. That's what we wrapped today. But we have to like go buy stuff for like my aunts and my cousins and my boyfriend and stuff like that, like for the not her children, I guess. Now I'm going in with the shade right here called Ivy, and I'm going in with more of a packing brush. This is a super dark green, but it's like the perfect Christmassy green. So I'm just gonna pack that on right on top of that other shade, and then flick it out just a little bit. There's a little bit of fallout with the shade, but like that's not really surprising to me just because it's so pigmented and dark. Like it's kind of expected to have a little bit of fallout. Let me know what your plans are for Christmas. I would love to hear them. Are you spending time with family? Are you going on vacation? Are you spending it by yourself? There's nothing wrong with that. Just let me know what you're doing. I'm very excited for Christmas this year. Last year just didn't feel like Christmas. Last year was just like a really rough year for I think a lot of people. I know it was for me. I had a lot of bad stuff happen last year between relationships with my at the time boyfriend, my grandma passing away, starting my junior year of high school, starting cosmetology school. There's just a lot that happened in 2020, so I'm very excited to be more in the festive mood this year and like actually be excited to enjoy Christmas and like spend time with family and everything. So I'm very excited about that. I'm going with the shade Snow, and this is really just gonna kind of be a blending shade. Green and red don't really have very good transition colors, so I'm just kind of using this as like a light transition slash blending so it gets more grungy looking. Okay, so I went in, blended everything out, and kind of darkened things up, and I also went in with some of my NYX glitter primer, and now I'm going to be going in with the shade Heat on the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm just using my finger. I feel like the finger applies shimmers way better than a brush, so I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Now I'm going in with the shade Moss right here, and I'm gonna put that on the more outer part of my lid and try and blend it into the outer corner just a little bit. Okay, so this is kind of what we have. I'm gonna go in with that dark green a tiny bit and just kind of blend right here, just because it looked a little bit patchy and I don't want that. That kind of darkened it up nicely, and I'm gonna go back in with that itty bitty blending shade and just slightly blend that a little bit more. So now I'm gonna go and do the exact same things on the other eye, and I'm not gonna do my face on camera today just because I do have another video that I do want to film. So I'm gonna go finish my look and then I'll be back. Okay, so I wasn't gonna like film me doing any more of my makeup, but I like just had a few things I wanted to talk to you guys about, like nothing serious. I just wanted to talk. And I know my face looks super washed out. I'm going in with bronzer right now. I'm taking my Fenty bronzer, and I finally tried the Ariel brushes. I've been using the A21 for powder, the A58 for bronzer, the A22 for blush, and then the A14 for highlighter. I don't know if those are like the brushes you're supposed to use for those things, but like that's just what I've been using. And I didn't go on with foundation today. I only used concealer like all over like my entire face because I'm just filming tonight. It's literally 11 o'clock, so like I didn't see the point in putting on foundation. Once again, I am literally so sorry for my brother. I yelled at him like 4 times. He won't shut up. He's playing video games, if that's any context, which is just so annoying, but boys are just annoying, so it is what it is. I wanted to ask you guys who you've been watching for Vlogmas, who you enjoyed watching their Vlogmas. I know that by the time this goes up, like, it's almost over, but I'm just curious, so, like, I can go back and watch them, or I can look forward to them next year. I've been really liking Paige Corin, Adeline Morin, Alicia Marie for Vlogmas, and then obviously Smoky Glow does like Glowmas or whatever, which is basically Vlogmas. It's just not vlogs, it's just like a full month of actual videos, and she's actually posting up until the last day of December, so you still have time to go and watch her. I mean, you can go and rewatch any of the other people's videos for the whole month if you want to, but those are just kind of the people I've been enjoying. I love Vlogmas. It's like one of my favorite times because, first of all, I literally love Christmas so much. Don't mind Bales. She has a diaper on. She's on her period, so I'm going in with the Everlasting Blush and Foxglove by KVD. So I'm just gonna see, like, this brush is so, like, it's just not dense at all. It's super, like, loosely packed, and there's not a lot of bristles, so you don't have a whole lot of control, which makes it really nice for blending out cheek products, but it's not the most ideal for someone like me who loves a lot of blush. Like, you literally have to go in so many times. Like with my other normal ColourPop blush brush, I only have to go in once and then I just blend it out, but with this I literally went in 3 times, so I feel like I'm using 3 times as much product, but I do really like the way it applies, and like I really like the blend of it. It's just, it takes way more product. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup off camera. I just want to talk for a few minutes, but now I'm gonna go focus and I'll be back for the outro. Okay, so this is the final look. Very festive, very grungy. I decided to go with a new lip just so the eyes really held the attention of the look, but I'm obsessed with it. I've been struggling with my creativity, so Kat really came through with this look. I'm obsessed with it. I would literally wear this on Christmas. My family just kind of does presents at home and stuff. We don't like go out, so I always do something makeup wise on Christmas just so I can do my makeup. So this could totally be a contender. I would wear this any day. Like, I would wear this to school. Like, this is just beautiful. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick little makeup tutorial. Make sure you let me know down below what you guys are doing for Christmas. I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas. I can't wait to do my what I got for Christmas video. It's a tradition on my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And I love you guys so much. Bye!